Hey guys, welcome to another video. Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. A little something different for you. We had to run to Costco today and grab a few things, and I have been showing you guys like what kind of lunches and stuff that I provide for Abigail, and I just wanted to kind of give you a little rundown of what we do. We are not big Costco shoppers just because of the location that it was in our old house, but I can tell you I'm definitely going to be shopping there way more often now. There's some great deals, and I just want to share with you what I bought today. So if you follow my Instagram, it's Scylla's Stuff and Things. Like I said, I've been showing you guys some lunch ideas. Fruit. I get Abby fruit every day, and these strawberries were only $3.50. That's a really good deal for 2 pounds of strawberries. Snacks for me, I love this fresh mozzarella, and I used to make it like I'd put the olive oil and seasonings, but you can buy it already made, and it's super easy. Put it in the fridge, and you can just pop a couple in your mouth. Palmetto pimento cheese. This is great for my keto friends. You can put this with pork rinds and it's 0 carbs. So love that. We also love the jalapeno one. This is great for busy afternoons. Asa and I both work from home, but sometimes we don't have time to cook. And so I like to have this for lunches or snacks. I don't put it on bread. You could get croissants, put it on croissants, or put it on your favorite type of bread. Chicken salad. Tonight we know we have a busy night, so I'm not going to be able to cook, and we don't always want to eat fast food. So I love picking up their quick meals that you just put right in the oven. This one is ravioli lasagna with beef and pork. So sounds good. Again, for lunches for Abigail and snacks in the afternoon, she loves these apple slices. You can also get like the little cups of caramel or peanut butter, and it goes great with them. This is one of Isaiah's favorites, mango salsa. It's kind of a fan favorite for everybody, so you can never have too much. Perfect for football season. Asa is my meat and cheese guy. He loves to go in and just grab some meat and cheese. I've also been doing that, and so I have been purchasing the boar's head from Publix, but it doesn't last as long, where this one is going to last us a lot longer, and it's just super convenient. So if you're into convenience, this is what you want. I am a salad loving girl, and this is just a treat for me. So it's one of the super kale salads. The guys are not going to love it as much as I do, but it's great for snacks and lunches, and just you can pair it as one of your side dishes at night if you don't have time to cook a lot. Carrots, because Abigail and Isaiah love to have some carrots. It's a great snack for them in the afternoons. Isaiah likes to, he just kind of goes in the fridge and gets little, almost like appetizer type things throughout the day. So this is a good option for him, and it was super cheap at Costco. Asa and I tried this cheese a while back. He does not remember it, but it is so good, and we have some people coming over this weekend, so I'm going to put out some cheese with crackers and just cut it up into little slices. This is so much garlic, and I love the way it smells. Typically, I would get the fresh garlic cloves, but this is such a better option. It's way cheaper, and I don't have to worry about peeling it or anything. I'm going to pull it out and just cut it up, and it's ready to go. This is one of Abigail's favorite drinks. She will have it all the time, and so you can get 3 bottles of this for like $8 at Costco. So I stacked up today. I love to have fresh flowers. I'm going to replace those with these. So if you need to treat yourself, this is a great way to do that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this little haul. If you're a Costco shopper, drop down in the comments, what is your favorite go-to item? Maybe I'll try it out. You never know. Thanks, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and we'll see you next time. Bye.